This video is going to be extremely insightful for every zodiac sign. I'm going to cover 2025 career, finances, what is happening, everything in detail, in depth for you so that you have an understanding about what you can expect the 2025 career and money to look like. Hi. My name is Nidhi, also known as The Tarot Girl, and this is the best time to get personal reading done as well. I do customized personal readings, manifestation programs. The link for booking the tarot session is in the description, or you can just WhatsApp me for any query. Now I'm going to begin literally every detail, tiny, minute detail for the 25 career and money. Also going to give you personalized tips for every zodiac so that you can really be extremely successful in 2025. This is going to be a very raw and authentic video to help you at the best. So connect to my energy, like this video and subscribe if this video keeps helping you. So yes, let's begin now with Aries, the first zodiac sign. How is your career and finances in 25 looking like? Connect to my energies by just commenting below, I claim. Let's see. First, with the career energy is what I want to bring to your notice, and then the extension of it, which is money. Watch this till the end. Only then you'll have a complete understanding because I'm going to give you tips as well. Now, what I see for your career is a huge shift is coming into your career. Almost you will see a complete turnaround in the path that you're currently doing in terms of your career, the career path, the domain, the choice that you are in, the stage that you are in. Everything is suddenly going to change overnight in the first quarter of the month itself. Yes, one thing I want to say is you're going to have like a rock bottom hit down and then a rise from the first quarter. So you're almost the last months of the year, the second half of the year is really going to be very, very fruitful. The first half of the year is going to bring some new issues, is going to bring some new problems, it's going to bring some confusion, it's going to give some insecurity if you've been trying to maybe look for a new job or academically looking for some admissions or results, or even in your business trying to grow. You will really see the rock bottom because it looks like the universe wants to test you, that do you even deserve achieving that or being there in your career or growing in your career. But if this 3 to 4 months of the early start of the year, if you take that seriously and if you do not give up and if you sustain to that hardships, you will literally see a huge shift in your career and finances in the second half, more precisely post April and May, around monsoon and the later half of the year. Also, what I see is you will actually have some people coming up in your career who would try to really test your patience. So really understand who should you be trusting in your career and who shouldn't you trust. Your finances, you might end up taking some hasty decisions, some wrong decisions in the first half of the year, in the first quarter more precisely. And वो होता है ना, where you do like देखा देखी, oh you know this person has this, and you get instigated, somebody tries to purposely get out every secrets of yours and tries to trigger you, and very easily you get affected by it and you feel like, okay, you know, I also want this, I also need this, I also have to buy this. So you might end up behaving a little foolish in the initial months, or you may get very scared quickly, or you might get confused and lost very easily. You wouldn't understand what direction and path is right for you. But as dull the first half looks, as promising the second half looks. Obviously, I'm going to come up with, you know, detailed messages for every month, every zodiac as well, so that you have more understanding. But one tip that I would want to give you is you really need two things. Take this tip seriously. You really need to trust right people, right sources. A lot of you might take wrong decision because of the relationship that you are in. Your career will hamper not because universe wants bad for you or not because you're not good enough. Maybe because somebody in your life is not worth it and they are sucking all your energy and draining your energy, which is impacting your career, money, finances, everything, your sanity. Your sanity is spoiled because your attention and your focus in the first half looks on love, relationship, family issues, and that's why you're not paying attention in your career. So please take care of that. Second advice I want to give you is a lot of you require some higher studies and education, or at least some change in your field by the second quarter, second half, almost that period of the year. So obviously, these are generic messages. You can always seek personal guidance and personal booking from me. You can WhatsApp me for that. But this is to give you an understanding of overall energy. So try to increase your knowledge, try to read more books, try to reach out to people who are very knowledgeable, try to gain some sort of upscaling in your intellect, in your career. That will really give you good returns in the second half of the year. Finances look much better by the second half. First half, you might end up taking wrong decisions. Just make sure you don't invest or you don't take any hasty decision to buy maybe any asset, car, phone, anything for your family, or don't go out of your way to help somebody. Limit yourself in the month of, rather in the early months of the year. Be a little careful when it comes to money. So this is the overall energy for your career and finances. If there's something more you feel you want as next videos, do write down in the comment. Also like and subscribe if this video has helped you. Now let's begin with Taurus. What is it that is happening with you in 2025 for money and also career? Every detail that you need to know. Connect to my energy by commenting below. I connect, I claim. Let's see. Wow. You are a warrior and universe really loves you because whatever happens, you're still fighting. You're still not giving up. Always you fall down and always you rise up. More than the result, your determination is very strong in the year of 2025. You are you're unbreakable. Nobody can break you in 2025. Even if there'll be situations that will come up your way where your patience is tested, where your efforts are tested, where people are testing you, you will still come up and see the success coming your way. For a lot of you, you will see some financial betterment in terms of buying a new house if you've been waiting for that, or if you've been waiting to settle up your family, or if you've been waiting to make your father, your parents retire, or your partner, wanting to help your partner to grow together as a team and create create empire for you, both of you. You'll really see that coming true. A lot of things, a lot of renovation, new asset buying, change in house, some sort of new buying in the house or for the family is what will happen. So really, like, you will really enjoy spending money in 2025 and finances will be decently fine. I wouldn't say like it's wow, but it's really promising because you're making people happy, and when you make people happy because of the money that you have, and when you spend it on right things, even if it's not exactly to the point you want, you still feel that happiness inside. So your finances are really doing much better than the previous year. You've understood what is right for you. You've understood what are the priorities, and you're not spending on something that is not the priority. Career wise, a lot of you will be contemplating for a change. This is a change in place, change in country card as well, also city. So I would say this is an advice which I see from the cards. Try to look for a change in the second half of the year, or post March, April, May. That is going to be a favorable time to look for a change in job or change in profession as well. And it's going to be very auspicious time for you in the second half or in the mid-year basically, to start something new of your own. So if you've been thinking of starting business, there are high chances that if you go and end up starting business, you will see a quick rise in your business. Specifically, those in the field of psychology, those in the field of professional courses like MBA, CA, CFA, CS, doctors, basically medical and legal professionals, you will see a good career shift. Those in artistic field, there is a little bit challenge that you will face in your career, some challenges academically if you're studying you're just studying, and if you're in a creative field, whatever the creative fields are, you might face a little competition here and there, or certain plans may get suddenly delayed. However, at the end it will still complete, and you still see the cycle completing. So if something had to happen, say in a month time, it may take 2 months or 3 months, but you'll still see success there. So minute delays here and there you may experience, but not any major delays in your career. Since I said, your finances are getting much better, much stable. One thing with that which I see is take care of nazar. This is a personal advice that I promised I'll give you. Take care of jealousy and nazar. There are high chances your friend circle is not right, and you will lose a lot of friends. I'm sorry, like I have to say the friend thing in the career and money, but because this is related, and I cannot hide this from you, but your friends are going to really be tough, give you tough time. Your friends or your society that you stay in, or your relatives are going to really give you a tough time, and you'll get very irritated and try to prove yourself because you want to shut a lot of people's mouth. Just stay protected from nazar, from jealousy. Don't share too many things to people before you achieve it. Also, one tip for you is try using the crystal black obsidian in 2025, and also pyrite. These two crystals are going to be very lucky for you. This is going to give you an enhanced growth. You can WhatsApp me if you want to buy, or you can use these crystals. This will really help you shift your vibrations and energy. And a lot of you try making sure that whatever you do, like whatever work that you are in, whatever career that you are in, try avoid doing that during the late hours of night. Like if there's some work that is pending or a big decision that you have to take, don't take it at late night in the sense, not just late night, but post like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Make sure you don't take big commitment and big decision. You might end up taking wrong decisions that time. That is also one more tip that I want to give. But overall, your career and money specifically really looks very promising, because you'll buy things that you couldn't have bought in 2024 and previous years. Career wise, as I said, for every field, this is how the energy looks like, which is from the which is post March and mid of the year really looks promising. And by the end of year, you will see good success and good buying of assets. So that's with the overall message for you. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like and also subscribe. I'll come up with love reading as well in 2025 very soon, so stay tuned. Now let's begin with the next zodiac sign, which is Gemini. So how is it looking like for you? Connect to my energy. Let's see how is 2025 money and career for you. Comment I claim to connect to the energies. You are finally breaking free all the barriers that you faced in 2024. You are almost on the verge of achieving something really big in 2024, but you missed that at last minute, or things slipped off your hand, or thing got delayed. But this is a wish fulfillment. In the early months, in the first quarter itself, you'll see a big wish of yours, a big promise that you made to yourself or to somebody you love coming true. This is a very promising card. Your career is going to it's going to be really stable. Like it's going to give you the first half, at least the first quarter at least, is going to give you so much of stability, so much of power. If you've been waiting for a hike, promotion, if in job, if in academics, if you've been waiting for a new start or your results to come up or a new college admission to happen, all that will happen in your favor. You will see beautiful people coming your way and helping you in your career. Those in the field of management, those in the field of technical field, management field, engineering field, or any field that involves too much of communication with people, intense communication with people, even HR, anything that involves too much of day-to-day communication with people and not like a back-end thing, you will see a huge growth. Your impression will come out. People will want you. People will need you now. You will start getting calls saying that, please help us, please work with us, please resolve this issue, please finish this project. You will see people wanting you. You will see good people coming your way. You will see appreciation. You will see a hike, a rise. Those projects in business that were not coming up, or you were not able to scale up your business to the level that you wanted, or you were not able to get the contracts and the deals or sales, you will actually see that flowing very quickly, very quickly. Like situations will get created that way. You will come across new ideas as well. Those in marketing field as well, you will see a very, very, very great exposure. The exposure is huge, is what I mean to say in the first half of the year. Second half of the year, you would possibly so see, I'm also going to come up with monthly reading as well for every zodiac. So that is also something that you need to watch. It will help you. Like I already have the Jan month reading uploaded for your zodiac. So also I'll come up with love reading for 2025. So don't forget to watch that as well. Now what I see for the second half of the year is you will actually face a little bit of health related issues which will bring your productivity down. Now this is a generic reading, so for everybody it can change here and there, but what I see is health wise you'll not feel that, like you'll feel like you're tired. You've done so much in the first half that you've started taking the second half of the year a little lightly, for granted. Your body's not working, or your mind and body is not working together. Things are coming but things are taking little time. You have slowed down, or maybe you've prioritized other areas of your life in the second half. That has not resulted in much boom in the second half. Nothing is bad, it's just that things are going very average, very slow. It's just like the water is just flowing. It's just a ripple, normal ripple. I don't see like a rise. Rise is happening in the first half. You'll feel like you're a little bit heavy burdened. You'll feel burdened, like that energy level, that motivation level will decrease because you've done too much initially, and you're like, now I don't want to break my head, and now I don't want to put too much of effort. So you're a little bit slowing down in the second half in money and in career. Financially, really a lucky period. In fact, one advice I would want to give you is try using the crystal Tiger Eye. You can buy it from me if you want. Tiger Eye is really going to help you shoot up your confidence, your communication. As I said, communication is going to be very high. So it's going to make you win the competition, win the race, win the all that you've been waiting and wanting, that success that you've been wanting. It will amplify with the help of Tiger Eye. Try using Tiger Eye. It will really help you. Also, one more thing that I see is make sure, even if you don't know something, in your career or financially, if you're not sure about something, flaunt. I would say fake it until you make it. These are the cards which says fake it until you make it. When you fake it, you automatically will attract, because universe wants you to do that. Financially, you're going to groom yourself a lot. You're going to spend a lot on yourself, on your skin, on your hair, on your clothes, on your anything, basically. All the luxury things that you've been wanting. Finances look decently stable. Nothing much to worry about. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like and also subscribe. And also check out more readings for love, and as I said, monthly reading that I'll be coming up with. Hi Cancerians, let's see how is 2025 money and career for you. Let's begin. What's happening in money and career? Wow, okay. Financially, things are getting much stable. If you've been worrying about money or concerned about whether you'll be able to achieve your dreams, buy things for you that you wanted, start the new source of income, or start being independent, more independent if you've not been earning, then yes, this is the card of balance. You will at least feel balanced. You will have stability. I wouldn't say that the money is getting crazy and you're doing all crazy things. No. You're getting stable, you're feeling more fulfilled, which is more than enough. One thing that I see is there's still a lot of insecurity when it comes to career, professional life. You are feeling like you don't belong here, you do not fit here, people are not valuing you, you feel like I'm not being respected, my work is not being respected, my bosses are not honest to me, are not genuine to me, or in your business and in your career you feel like my surrounding is not genuine to me. So you're feeling very hurt because of people around you. It's like you always feel like things come to you, but things come to you late. And that's also a little bit energy of 2025 overall, where things are coming to you, but things are taking time to come to you. And that's not because you're not good enough. A lot of times there's a lot of karmic cycle also that ends and a new cycle starts. So you cannot, even if you do give your best, sometimes you just have to accept that, okay, this part of my life is a little slow. I will be okay with it. I'll accept this. I'll forgive myself. I'll forgive people, and I'll walk ahead. You're comparing things too much. even if a little bit betterment comes up in your career or a little happier time comes up, you start comparing it with, acha, this friend of mine at this age, I should have been here, this friend is here, why am I not here, I am more smarter. You're getting jealous, insecure, feeling incomplete very easily. Finances are okay, not anything bad in that. Career wise, there's a little insecurity that is coming up. You're taking decisions, but you're not taking out of full happiness. You're forcefully doing a lot of things. Maybe you're doing a job or continuing a job because you don't like it, but because it gives you money, you have to do it. So if you don't like something, then stop doing it. Or if you're doing it, make sure you do it with full happiness and not half-heartedly. That is not going to take you anywhere. With this attitude, you cannot grow. In fact, I would suggest you to try wearing the crystal citrine. That will really help you enhance your career opportunities, your motivation, start giving you the returns. That slow down phase will go away. You can buy that from me if you want. One thing that I see is you are comparing a lot. You're comparing a lot. Your insecurity is keeping you back. You're doubting things a lot. It's like something that happened 3 months back. You still live in the yesterday. That why did this happen last time? It should have happened in a nicer way. And then when nicer happens, you're not still happy about it because you're crying over the previous mistake or the previous problem. That is what is going wrong. You're becoming like you're hating things. You're disliking a lot of things. You're disliking people around you. You're not liking your surrounding. You're not happy where you are. And you're not able to move out of your city and place also, which is making things more difficult. In fact, this is the card of break. The advice that I would want to give you is take break. Take 1 month break, take 2 month break, go out on a vacation, take some time out, start reading some books, start meeting nice people, start taking advice of right people. You will automatically regain. You're not going to be the last one in the race. Don't try to feel like you're left out. That is the feeling that you're having in 2025. Let's see if there is anything else also that cards have to advise you. If this video is helping you, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Yeah, one thing that I see is there's a lot of materialistic energy. What is happening is you're not focusing on the learning curve. You're not focusing on the exposure. You're not focusing on the opportunities, the time that universe is giving you to gain the knowledge, to gain the relations, to build yourself stronger. You're so much materialistic. Oh, this, I couldn't buy this. I couldn't go here. Oh, I did not do this. That it's actually making you, everything is looking sour because of it. Everything is looking pale because of it. So, stop disliking things. In fact, if this feeling has been happening with you even in 2024, then I would suggest, take help of some spiritual practices. Start understanding yourself better or learn that from me. That will actually help you bring that sort of spark and fun into your life and in your career back. So yeah, that's what I can see for your career and money. And stay tuned and comment if there's anything more you want me to bring. Hi Leo, let's see how is 2025 career and money both for you. Connect to my energies by writing below I claim. Now I'm going to give you personal tips as well, so don't forget to watch till the end. What I see for you is, first thing I really want to point out is your finances are going to shift a huge way. Those people who did not trust in you, who did not have confidence in you, or who felt that you can never do anything in your life, you're not good enough, or those who made fun of you, those who actually always tried to bring you down, all those people's mouth will now get shut. You will get a lot of opportunities to travel because of work. Now travel can be in the form of meetings, in the form of some new work, business, in the form of some relocation as well. But you will get a lot of chances to travel because of work. Or your travel will increase because your work is getting stable. Either of it. You will see that your family now loves you, respects you. Your partner loves you, respects you even more because now you've got stable. And because you're able to contribute in the family and family expenses. And because of you, the standard of living of your family has got much better, much stable. It's like all your efforts are finally working out in your favor in this year, 25. Also for some of you, this is for those who are in academics or in studies, a little tough time for you. Those in job, business, it looks a decent year. But those in academics, you'll face a little bit difficulty, or those trying to learn some new course, learn some new skills, or trying to juggle between two fields, say job and business both, or academics and job both, you'll face a little bit of hard time. Specifically in the first half of the year, you'll face more harder time, and you would have to leave one of it. So a lot of things, you might lose a lot of things this year in your career. Those who are trying to juggle in two things specifically, you will lose. This is the time to pick and choose. You will have a lot of options where you'll be you'll have to be very quick, very decisive, and pick and choose one. You'll not get a chance to do both things together. That is something that you'll have to be very careful of. One thing that I see is you might lose up on, initially this might happen that there was either some promotion or some business deal that was coming your way, but that project, you missed out on that project, or there happened a changes, and because of which you had to share your part of efforts, or your part of you had to share something from your income, or from your work, or from your credit. That is high chance that a couple of times these things might happen in 2025, where maybe you deserved 100 but you got 70 and 30 got shared or spent at something or some other things. Be okay with it. Keep a bigger heart. That is one advice I would want to give you. Keep a really a bigger heart in 2025. The more grateful that you are, the more you start appreciating people, your life, your things that you have had so far, you will see more success your way. So try following that. Also, one advice that I have to give to you is, try using the crystal, more specifically try using the crystal clear quartz. And for those who have been going through a lot of confusion specifically and not being able to make quick decision, at least for you, try using the crystal clear quartz. And those who are students studying, or those who are in two fields and juggling between two fields, try using the crystal flower agate. You can buy that from me. You can WhatsApp me to understand how it works and everything, and inquire your doubts. Also, one more thing that I see is, for you financially, you might feel in the second half a little challenged, because your money might get spent on some health issues of you or your family. So make sure you have enough savings, and don't keep just spending too much in 2025. Save as much as possible. So if X amount you're earning, make sure that just because you've got all the stability and that finally that success, doesn't mean you're going to just be blindly spending. Take care of your money. Money is fine, but take care. You might end up facing some unexpected hurdles out of nowhere, where you might need a reserve. So that's one thing. Career wise, the energy is getting much better, except for a little bit glitches that I just mentioned about. Those in the field, those specifically in the field of where there's a lot of physical exertion that goes on, where you have to travel a lot, or where your field is such that demands a lot of creativity out of you, you might get tired too quickly. Take care of your health. You might your work, you will see the success, you will really enjoy, but what will happen is, it will come at a cost of sacrificing your personal life or your health. So be very careful about it. This is for specifically those in creative field, or the field that requires a lot of exertion and a lot of standing and traveling and constantly having long hours of sitting on the chair. So that is what is the message for you. If this video has helped you a little bit, also don't forget to like and also subscribe. I've come up with monthly reading, which I do for every zodiac. So watch that every month. That will help you. Also, love reading for 2025 is going to be out, so you can get an understanding of where your love life is also going. It's going to be uploaded on the same channel, so stay tuned. Hi Virgos, let's see how is this whole year of 25 turning for you, money and career wise. Connect to my energies by commenting I claim. Also, I'm going to come up with the love reading for you as well for 2025 on this channel. So subscribe and like to stay tuned and to get that messages as well. Okay, now these are very promising cards that have come up for your career and money both. What I see is, by promising card, what I mean is, it's like it's like a very childlike energy. You're actually going to have more fun in your career in this year. You will see you're going to enjoy what you do. So I wouldn't say that you're going to your finances are going to go boom and you're going to buy this and that. No, I'll not give you like all rosy answers. I'm here to give you the truth. So yeah, as far as the career looks like, you're going to have fun in your career. You're going to really enjoy your career. You're going to meet people who you enjoy with. So if your work life has not been good with your colleagues, with the people in the same field, if you've not gotten good people so far in your life, in your career, in your social network, you'll really meet nice people, and they will help you revive, and they'll help you, like you'll really feel happy. Like even when if you're working 10 hours of the day, you'll feel like I'm enjoying because I have right people, because I'm laughing, I'm having fun, I'm having perks. So you might have perks like a pick and drop service, or maybe reimbursement of restaurants, or some coupons that you get, or you might end up getting some holidays here and there from the work. So you will have a lot of perks in this year. You will have a lot of benefit because of your work, because of your job, because of your business. You will get chance to relive things that you've wanted, and nice people. So you really enjoy, when the environment is healthy, you really enjoy that. Your motivation, your positivity is really going to be high. A lot of manifestation of yours are going to come true in 2025 for your career and finances. One thing that I see is it's like you will be required to be at the top notch. So it's like if you're doing right, this is the card of justice, which talks about if you're doing right things for the right reason at right time. So just an example, if your boss has asked you, or if your career, in your academics or in your career, you're supposed to finish this by the end of this week, or by the end of this hour, say at 10 p.m. this has to get finished. If you really do that, you cannot even imagine your punctuality and discipline is going to take you to next level of success, like next level of success. But if you take time for granted, and if you take people for granted, you're going to be screwed big time. So if I have to say the good part that I see, I have to also warn you with the bad part. Don't take people for granted. Don't take your time for granted. Anything that you take lightly, or anything that you take for granted, or anything that you do like a cut, copy, paste. What I mean by that is where you're not authentic, where you're not real, where you lie, where you hide, you'll be caught. Just like, we have this habit as job, like, oh, I'm sick, I'm on a sick leave, but you're on a vacation. You say that, oh, there was a traffic and that's why I reached at 11 a.m. and that's why I couldn't reach on time. And then you'll be caught, you'll be screwed. Don't lie. All your lies will be noted by your bosses and by the karmic cycle, and that will fire you back. So the more innocent that you are, the more honest that you are in your career, the more real decisions that you take, the more these decisions you take without taking anybody's help, independent, the more independently you do things, the more faster you will see success. Financially, you're really going to get so many chances. You'll literally have so many chances to increase your wealth, to make your family happy, to go out with your family, to buy new things for you, and you will really do a lot of them as well. At least, specifically in the hotter months of the year. So whichever country you are watching this from, the summers are really going to be lucky for you. The summers will be lucky for you, and so will the early monsoon be lucky for you. So these period of the year are really going to be very cheerful. Any good thing, any hard work that you do will come back in multiplied way. One advice for you that I would want to give you is try using the crystal, two crystals more specifically, the whole of the year. One, if you want to see crazy financial growth, you can buy pyrite crystal bracelet from me. And in terms of your career, if you really want to seek like a balance in this year, which because the cards are very supportive, so if you use this crystal, red jasper, this year, you will really see abundance your way more faster than you ever expected. You can buy this from me. Also, one advice is try working early. Like try pushing your work in the early, when the sun, before the sun gets down. Try finishing your work before 5, 6. Normally, if you're in business, or if you're in a field where you have a chance to start your work early in the morning, like 7 in the morning, then try doing that. If you're in a freelancing capacity, you will see more returns in the first half of the day. More returns, more clients, more sales, and more projects getting finished in the first half of the day. So yeah, if this video has helped you little bit also, don't forget to like and subscribe. More videos, more messages and help is what is going to come up on this channel. So stay tuned. Hi Libra, let's see how is this 25 going to turn for you for career and money both. Connect to my energies by commenting below, I claim. I'm also going to give you personal tips, advices, and literally everything in depth that you need to know. There's also love reading in detail for 2025 on this channel going to come up. So keep watching and stay tuned. Wow. Not even flaunting, not even trying to lie, but when Wheel of Fortune comes up in a reading, there's nothing more luckier than that. I mean, this is the ultimate card I crave to pick up for anybody I read cards for. And when this card comes up, this is the most auspicious card. You are going to get a lot of project, lot of work related to foreign. There's something related to foreign that will come your way in this year. Now, based on your situation, you can try to relate that. If you're in academics, a good job in foreign. If you're planning for academics, the best time to go foreign. If you are in business and wanting more work, more clients related to cross boundaries, then this is for you. Those who are doing job or hunting for job, you have really good opportunities to do with outside the country as well that will open up for you in 2025. So be vigilant about it. These all cards talk about foreign, outside the place, outside your comfort zone. This also talks about a complete change in field that will come your way. So many of Librans will see that you're changing your field, you're changing your profession, you're changing your goals, your desires. Suddenly you will see that, no, I don't want to do this anymore and now I'm ready for the risk. So if you've been contemplating for a change in 2024 in your career, in your field, in your academics, please go ahead. You will definitely see success in it. Take it blindly from me. You will see success in it. Also, what I see is try making sure that you take help of your family as much as you can. Your family is going to be really lucky for you. Like, the more you listen to your family, your loved ones, the more you take help from your family, not friends, okay? Family. You will see your family supporting or fighting for you, taking everything, like using all your money, putting all their efforts, giving all their support to you. So these are so emotional cards. You will get very emotional in 2025. You will see what you haven't been able to see in last 5-6 years. You will see that coming true. Also, what I see is specifically make sure you don't give up at last minute. There are high chances you'll be so agitated at a lot of times. You'll feel like, forget it, I don't want it, this I'll not do it. You'll take a lot of things to your ego, but don't take things to your ego. Instead, constructively use your ego. Your finances are getting much fruitful, much better. One advice that I would want to give you is try using the crystal amethyst as much as you can for the year of 2025. Amethyst or even lapis, the crystal lapis and amethyst, either of it or both of it, you can WhatsApp me, you can buy from me. These two crystals are really going to help you achieve the things that you never thought you're capable of. This is a very strong card that has come up. Power card, position card. Those in business, you can actually win all the game in the market. Those even in job, you will be sitting like head high with your bosses. That beneficial cards is what I see. You will really earn the respect and the name and the fame in the society. If you are in the field where it requires name, fame, goodwill, you'll really see that coming up your way. Also, I see this is a cycle of wheel. This is a card of karma. So if your karma has been clean so far, you don't have to be worried. But if you've done some wrong things in the previous year, definitely your karma is going to eat you up and then give you the returns. But for sure, there is success your way. Financially, I see a lot of travel for you, and those travel that you've never thought about, that you can actually make it happen. Good travel. Lot of people will be jealous of you. Lot of people will try taking advantage of you. Let them take advantage. You're so protected and lucky this year that even if somebody wants to take your advantage, nothing can go wrong with you. So it's okay if some people are using you for money or for some their own benefit. Doesn't matter. You are the warrior and you are the winner. Keep saying this to yourself. I am the warrior, I am the winner. Look at the mirror, keep saying that to yourself in the month of, not in the month, in the whole year, but specifically in your birthday months, September and October, around that. So yeah, if this video has helped you little bit also, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Hi Scorpions, let's see 2025 money and career. How does it look for you? Connect to my energies by commenting below. I connect. Also on this channel, I'm going to come up with a detailed love reading for 2025. So subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. Wow. So many things are happening all at once with you. Okay. Just trying to digest this. So, for you, for your career, more specifically, those who are in business first, those who are in business or those who are working in foreign countries or in a different cities than your hometown, you might have to come back. You might see coming back. You might see certain things and plans that you've made not working for you. The decisions that you took in the last half of 24 and the early half or the early start of 2025 will not work out for you. You're going to, like, there's one ending of cycle that is happening, some fall downs that are happening in your career, and then some break period is coming up. So a lot of you are going to take break by default or by choice, by default, or by force. A lot of you are coming back in the sense from your city, from your job, leaving the job abruptly, forcefully having to leave the city, leave the country, or some visa related issues happening, some job related issues and allegations happening, or like what do you call it, the companies just trying to throw off the employees thing happening, the projects coming up but not working in your favor and midway getting taken away or changing if in business. A lot of derouting is happening in your life. A lot of churning in your career is happening. Finances are also a little stuck up card. So I have to be very honest. Obviously, I'm going to give you solutions for it. So you will have to watch monthly reading also to get a deeper understanding, because this is a whole year reading. So monthly zodiac reading that I keep coming up with, watch that as well. Now, one thing with money also that I see, a lot of churning is happening. Some wrong choices you've made, looks like in 2025, and or even earlier that you've made, and all that is costing you now. Financially, some loans that you've taken, or debt, you're paying off the debt, or your money is getting stuck up because of your family, because of your loved ones, or because of your own mistakes, and you're not able to remove yourself from that. There's a lot of financial blockages majorly that I see. Career wise, you're progressing, but you're not progressing with the speed that you should actually be rising up or progressing. So that is one major drawback that I see. In fact, I would suggest you, this is the best time for you to start. So one advice for you is try, if you get a chance, or if you really feel like that money wise, whenever this period falls ahead, I would suggest you to make sure that you try taking help of people, and you try using your right connection, help from right sources and right connection going ahead in 2025. Don't try to figure out things on your own, and don't try to delay things unnecessarily. A lot of times, we become very hopeful and we are like, okay, wait, I'll wait for May to come, and then I'll wait for June to come, and we just let the 3 months go wasted. Time is going to be very precious in 2025. Don't take time. Don't take decisions for granted. You might have to be ready with plan B and plan C. So anything that you do in career, make sure you have plan B, plan C ready. This is the advice and solution I want to give you. Make sure you try to stick to your roots. Do not get too materialistic, and do not try to get too attached with the financial gains. A lot of times, you're supposed to just let that period pass. You also make sure you don't end up buying or making any huge financial decision for you or for your family. Not the right time to use your money or consume the money on bigger things, like bigger expenses. Be careful about it. I would suggest try using the crystal pyrite. Your luck which is not working for you will start working for you. New opportunities will start coming to you. You can buy the crystal bracelet from me. That is totally fine. One thing that I see is more than the career, it's to do with the money that you'll have to be very careful with. Career, still you will get, you will get going. If one thing is not working, something else will work. You might have to change plans. Things may not work as per plan. Some break period may come up, like a 1 month, 2 month, 3 month break, a standstill from one job to another, from one work to another, from one project to another. And you might feel like you might have to take help of somebody, or you might have to rethink on the decisions and choices that you've made. So don't be hasty and desperate. That is one advice. And second is, don't try to sail in two boats together. A lot of times we feel like, oh, I'll secure here also, I'll secure myself here also, and then we get stuck up both ways. Don't put your feet at two places. Don't try to juggle at all in 2025. That is one request I would want to give you. And apart from that, it is, yeah, I do see a little dull period. So all I can say is, use these advices. Make sure that you don't take anything for granted. Make sure that you use your brain more than your heart. That is also one more advice. And even if you want to take help of somebody, take help of somebody who is older to you, your family members, your guru, your teacher. Try seeking spiritual ways of healing money, finances, career. Try reaching out to me if you want for any spiritual practices that you can do. As and when you go forward and you see that stuck up energy for your career, you can reach out to me anytime. This is the overall generic energy. If this video has helped you to give you an understanding, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Hi Sagittarius, let's see 2025 career, money. Where is your life headed in these aspects? Also, the love video in detail is going to come up on this channel. So stay subscribed and hit the bell icon. Connect to my energies by commenting I connect. Let's see. Wow, okay, so much of roller coaster energy is coming up in terms of your career. This is the card of roller coaster that has come up. Okay, now what I see is you're taking a lot of things for granted in the year, majorly in 2025. Obviously, every month reading also I'm going to come up, so you can also keep checking that for for your zodiac. One thing that I see is you are taking things very lightly, where you're supposed to sit there, follow up, keep asking, keep putting that efforts. What is happening, you're putting the efforts. You are working hard. You're doing everything it takes. But just an example, if I want to achieve something in my career, or if I really want to grow in my career, I cannot just do it for 4 days and then 5th day I stop putting efforts. That's not how efforts work, right? For anything to show up the result, at least it takes some time. So you're putting the efforts, you're doing all the hard work, you're doing all the talking work, but then you're like, enough, now I'm not going to put the efforts, I'm done. Like, your energies are very abrupt. When you're very excited, when you're very motivated, you'll be very you'll be at the peak of the mountain. But when you're like tired, you'll be like, I don't give a damn, I don't care. अगर ये आना है तो आएगा, नहीं आना है तो तेल लगाने गया. That is the attitude with which you're moving in 2025. A little imbalanced energy. You'll be sometimes very confused of, is this right? What is happening? What is not happening? What should I do? You're just sailing between the ships and the options in 2025, majorly. And you're getting a little carefree. When things are not working out in your favor, you're like, I don't care. I don't want to do anything. Or you're ending up taking risky decisions or desperate decisions out of nowhere, without using your brain, without listening to people. There are so many people who are advising you right now, who wants to give you advice. Even God is advising you himself. But you're not taking his advice as well. You're not listening to your intuitions. You're just stressing out way too much. Just stressing out. You're crying and sleeping, or you're tired and sleeping, but you're not listening to your inner voice. You're ignoring a lot of things around you. That is what you're doing wrong in your career in 2025. Financially, a little bit, again, upside down energy is what I see. You might try to look for easy way out and shortcut. So if something has to come in a right way, you're looking for unnecessary discounts. You're wasting a lot of time in sales, in unnecessary buying of some products and some things which are actually of no use right now. So you're getting very vulnerable and affected. It's like you don't know what you want. You're not able to decide your purpose. You're not able to decide your goals. You're not able to decide you're not able to plan things and implement things correctly. You're a little distracted in the early months of the year. Later half you'll get better, but overall energy is a little distracted, vulnerable, trying to swing around, trying to just be very uneven with your headset, with your mindset, trying to be unstable in you're not thinking through sanity, you're not using your brain, you're not taking help of correct people, you're not listening to correct people, you're taking everything too personally and to your ego. Also, what I see is you might end up spoiling relations with some people unnecessarily. So if something doesn't go your way in your job, you might end up spoiling relationship with your colleagues, with your bosses, or in business you might have fights with somebody, and somebody promised you a certain deal in a certain time that did not work out, or you had fights with clients, with the supplier. If in academics you're just copying, you're just turning the pages at last minute, you're just copying and caught. You invested money somewhere to buy something for yourself, and then you lost it because, or you got a better deal later. So a lot of things are happening in an upsetting way in career overall. The advice that I would want to give you is please start using the crystal green aventurine, and also start using the crystal rose quartz. This will really help you love what you do, and you will really get in your element of the power that you have. You can buy that from me. You can WhatsApp me on the given number. Also, when you are very, every month, if there's something specific comes up and you're stuck up, you can always book personalized reading, since these are general messages. Also, what I see is just make sure that you try to you don't try to with your own hand spoil something that is there in front of you just out of anger in your career. That is one advice. So yeah, that's with the overall messages that I can see for you, and I wish you the best. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if this has helped you. Hi Capricorns, let's see how is 2025 money and career. Connect to my energies by commenting below I connect. I'm also going to come up with love reading 2025, so subscribe to stay tuned and get the love reading in depth. Let's see. Wow, this is a wish fulfillment card for you that has come up, along with a new source of income that has come up. Your sources of income are going to increase, the investments that you've been making. So whatever investment that you've made or you're planning to make in 2025, they will all give you good returns. Be it investment in, okay, investment doesn't mean buying a car or an asset. That's not called investment. But any sort of investment in stock market, or say FD, or house, or basically land, property. In fact, any investment you do also in 2025, so this is an advice, will give you returns in property and land related investment, in any investment that has to do with any liquid related things, liquid related businesses, anything that can be from liquor to water to milk or to fuel to oil, all of it. So that is also what would give you returns. Those in the field of those who are in the field of specifically anything to do with shipping, or in the field of even those who are studying in academics, you'll really see this is going to be a lucky year for you. Those in academics, those in the field of water related field, land related field, real estate, even those in the creative field, even those in the field of anything to do with nature related field, even travel in this matter, you will see good returns in your field. That is one good thing. And if you've been thinking of changing your field to these fields, then also go ahead with it. One thing that I see is the start of the year might come with a big hit. I mean a lot of realizations. Some mistakes that you've made in 2024 or the previous years, you'll have to pay off the cost of it. Or you might the end, it's like when something it ends very ugly, and then something new starts. So if you've been thinking of changing a job in the early half of the year, or some gadbad gotala that you've done in your business, all that will cost you heavy, and then is the good time coming up. So that costing ugly, you might end up having fights, or some disputes with somebody in the business or in your job or with your bosses, and then you will make peace with it, and then you will start your new journey, is what I mean. But I really see good cards and very promising card. Money wise, definitely a new source of income, as I mentioned, is coming your way. Let me see what else is also going to happen with you. You Any desperate decisions that you take in 2025 will cost you bomb. You don't have to take desperate decision. You don't have to make desperate investment. The slow you go, the sustainable you will be. So follow this, like keep saying yourself, keep repeating this to yourself. The slower I am, the better I am. The slower I am, the better I am. So things come slow, however comes at the best. Things come slow, however comes at the best. If you say this to yourself, you will literally see the world. World is the... What do you mean by world? The world is going to be in your hand. You're going to see a whole change in your world. A lot of you will travel abroad as well for work, or a lot of abroad related opportunity and business, import export business, those in the job of import export as well, or transportation as well, will travel again as well, will see a lot of returns. Even acting, creative field will see a lot of returns in that. Academically, if you've been studying abroad or thinking of studying abroad, this is the right time, but try to go in the second, what do you call it, like the September intake or the later intakes is what I mean, and not the summer intakes, not the first half of the intake. Those in job, you will see your position will increase. So stay a little bit, hang a little bit here more where you are. You will see a rise in your position and power in the form of, designation. And then look for a change, not immediately. Make sure you don't spoil relations with anybody in 2025. You don't indulge in fights. You don't indulge in desperate decision. Please don't get materialistic, because the more greedy you become, the more bad will happen with you, because automatically the money energy is good. So don't get greedy. This is the time for making nice investment, even buying maybe asset, like not asset, even buying asset, and even buying new things, electronics, or spending on yourself, travel, family. Best time to do that. One tip for you is try wearing this crystal selenite. It is going to give you a lot of good luck in the year of 2025. You can buy that from me if you want. And also green aventurine. That is also going to make your things work faster for you. And overall, a very healthy year. So nothing much to worry about. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the monthly readings that I keep coming up for every zodiac. Hi Aquarians, let's see how is 2025 money and career for you. Connect to my energies by commenting below. I connect. Also, I'm going to come up with in-depth love reading on this channel. So subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified for your love life. Now what I see for you is, one, I'll also give advices so that you can utilize and be more successful. One thing that I see for you is you will feel like you'll have this constant feeling in your career that like a lack in the sense, it's not like universe is not helping you. These are very positive cards that has come up. Universe is always good to you, always nice to you, always saves you, but you kind of miss out on. Sometimes universe takes away things from you, not because you're not good enough, but because universe knows that your potential is much bigger than this. What I see is you are not hitting your right potential. It's like your potential is, to example, to be a CEO, but what you're being is a manager. And why are you doing that? And that is what I'm trying to understand here, that your potential is of a CEO, being the boss lady, the literally, the most powerful masculine if you're a male, but all you're becoming is a manager. You're too scared. You get scared and insecure too easily for a change, for taking risky chances, for taking risky decision. Your heart is like a child. You think emotionally and not wisely and not maturedly. You need a lot of maturity in 2025. Remember, you have to keep saying this advice is what I want to give. Keep saying this to yourself. I'm the boss. I'm the boss. If you're a female, I'm a boss lady. I'm the boss lady. If you're a male, I'm the boss. I'm the boss. I win the world. I win the race. So, keep saying this to yourself. This will help you. Start using the Crystal Tiger Eye. You can buy that from me. That will increase your confidence, your willpower. That will remove you from all the fears. You will have beautiful opportunities coming your way. Really beautiful. You say no very often. If something is not what you like, or if you get work which is not your work, or if you have to handle somebody else's work, or resolve somebody else's problem, or help somebody in your personal life, career life, or business life, you take the rejections too personally, and you start saying no too quickly. Before even it happening, there's a doubt that comes up. You don't have faith, and you're not having faith that in 2025 in yourself and also in universe. And when you go with a doubtful energy, people look into you very negatively. Like, people feel like, okay, let it be. Ye immature hai. This person is too small. This person is too, they're not experienced. So, you have to show that you are knowledgeable. You have to show that you have the experience. You have to show that you have the willpower. If you ask for it, only then you will get it. If you don't ask, and if you feel something will come walking to you in 2025, it will not. You will have to work. You will have to say, I can do this. Give it to me. I know this. I want this. I will try this. Don't give up. Keep trying. Be it in whatever situation you are in your career, do not give up. Keep trying. You're very innocent. You keep, somebody comes up to you and fools you. You get fooled very easily. You need to use your own brain. You cannot use anybody else's brain. You cannot nobody can tell you what you should be doing in your career. It's your career. You have to take charge of it. Finances look okay. You're satisfied. You're quite satisfied. There's no major instability. There's no major debt. If you were in a debt time, your debt will get better. I mean, your debt will reduce, is what I mean. Financially, it's a decent year. But career-wise, your mood swings, your behavior, your perspective is too shattered, as I just mentioned, which is what you need to work and heal. Also, what I see is, one thing that I see is, you will get a lot of chances. Universe will give you a lot of chances for a change. People will come up to you and offer you, try this, come here, let's go do this, learn this, read this book, read this article, come travel with us, come sit with us. Don't say no to that. You will have a lot of chances. Those in business, please expand now. Otherwise, it's a very monotonous cycle. Things are just happening monotonous. You need to get out of the monotonous routine, and you need to add some more spark, excitement, and fun in your career and in your attitude. That's the advice. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Every month, detailed zodiac video will keep coming up. So watch that. That will give you even more insights and help. Hi Pisces. Let's see how is 2025 money, career turning out for you. Connect to my energies by commenting below. I connect. Also, the love reading for 2025 is going to be on this channel in depth. So subscribe to get notification and to stay tuned. Okay, let's see. Wow. All these 3-4 years of dullness is now rising up, and this is the card of success. This is the card of success, the card of manifestation, the card of really people coming in and helping you, nice partnerships, nice social relations, network that is going to get developed, a good power position card that has come up for you. So all in all, I do see 2025 career really being quite lucky, fruitful for you. You're going to see happy changes coming your way. In fact, this is the card of manifestation that has also come up. So a lot of manifestation and prayers of yours are coming true. You will see, it's like you are going to get nice people, more like seniors, guru, your boss, right sources to help you. And a lot of times in life, when you have this one person who is like a mentor who helps you, you automatically start taking right decisions in your life. And I really see a mentor energy. There's a nice mentor going to come into your life in 2025. You're going to get very spiritually awakened as well. And because you're spiritually very high in vibration and energy, that's why even the bad that has to happen with you, or even the low time that has to happen with you, all that is not happening because you're spiritually very high. Your intentions are good, your actions are good, your karmic cycle is being cleansed. One advice I would want to give you is try making sure that this you remain grounded. There are high chances that you might get a little egoistic, or your pride might get a little too much, and because of that, if you were supposed to get 100, you will get 70 because you've started becoming a little egoistic, or you're showing off more than needed, financially or in your career. So don't show off where not needed. Don't try to overdo things. Don't try to overshare. Don't try to commit too much just because you know that you can do it. Don't overcommit. That is one advice. Follow these advices, that will help you succeed faster. Also, like every month zodiac reading I'm going to come up with, that will help you even in depth. So keep watching every month zodiac reading as well. Try using or wear the crystal for the year of 2025, Unakite crystal. Unakite is going to help you really stay grounded, stay balanced, stay focused, and stay more spiritually calmer. You can buy that from me if you want. Also, what I see is a lot of you, there are high chances you might start something new, like a new work, side hustle, side business, or a new source of income is your way. You will really see a cycle completing in your life. If you were hanging into something and you were not reaching there, you were not achieving that work, that job, that career goal, you will actually achieve that, and you'll start something new also. Like some new work, some new businesses. These are a lot of business cards that have come up. That's why I'm stressing so much on it. Also, what I see is a lot of you will have somebody coming in your life who will be equally powerful like you. Like the competition is going to be high. You're going to compete with really very, very smart people, business wise and also in terms of job and academics. Make sure it's like helping hand, and walking hand in hand makes the work easier. So don't try to get into enmity with anybody. That will cost you crazy. Don't get into enmity. Don't get egoistic. Don't get too pridey. Like too much of pride is not going to be good. Also stay grounded, as I said, and make sure that only when you're very sure of something, you commit yourself. Don't overcommit and don't overspend. Money wise, this is the card of saving, spending, being calculative that has come up, not overspending, not showing off that has come up. So that's what has come as an overall energy and advices for you. But overall, all in all, 25 really looks blissful and a lot of blessings are coming your way. So claim this energy, and if this video has helped you, don't forget to like and also subscribe.